Hi guys! Ito na yung newest and the 100th aircraft of Cebu Pacific Air. Bagong-bago to and we're one of the first people, 5 lang kaming actually media na makakapag-tour exclusively of this aircraft.
Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na yung nagbubook ng piso fare noon, nagtutour na ng bagong aircraft ng Cebu Pacific Air ngayon. Hi everyone, this is I'm the Girl Who Travels and I've been sharing travel tips since 2017. Today's a very special day because we are going on an exclusive tour of Cebu Pacific Air's 100th and newest aircraft. Why is it special? This aircraft was just delivered a day before the tour, so galing pa siya ng France. Again, it's their 100th aircraft, and did you know that CEB is the first local carrier to operate a 100-strong fleet in the Philippines aviation history? And yes, all 100 are in service. This A330neo has the capacity of 459 seats, so imagine in one go, ganon kadaming tawang madadala niya. It also uses 25% less fuel per flight, so it's more sustainable and helps maintain a lower carbon footprint per traveler, which is really important if you care about Mother Earth. And here, let me share you more important features I learned on that day.
Okay guys, so dito tayo sa loob ng plane and our engineer is explaining kung ano yung mga features ng plane na to. So isa sa mga sinabi niya is yung material na gamit, it's more lightweight na. So it lessens the weight of the plane, which means we can carry more people or more baggages, and nakikip niya yung low cost expense para makapagbigay pa rin ng budget. Mga piso fare, mga sales sa mga passengers natin. Aside from that, you can see here, meron siyang pinakitang stepping stone. May pang-apakan pala dito. Hindi ko alam. Tagal-tagal ko na lumilipad with Cebu Pacific. So, you can use this step para maabot nyo yung bagahe dito. So, ayan, for short people like me na hindi mailagay yung mga gamit nila here, pwede palang apakan yun. I didn't know. And meron din palang salamin doon to see kung nakuha na lahat ng bagahe. What else? So, let's see kung kakasya ba tayo. Bilang medyo malaki-laki tayo. Ayan, try natin umupo. So, here, you can see, may space pa here. May space pa, maluwag. Merong hawakan dito na pwede natin gamitin pag tatayo. So, very, ano yung design niya? Very comfortable, convenient, and spacious. And of course, meron pa rin tayong charging port. So, here's one lavatory which I think is PWD friendly. And then, if you need assistance, dahil masikip dito, this one can be opened. So, ito yung wall going to the lavatory dito sa tabi niya. So, hindi yan mirror ha. So, magkaibang lavatory yan. So, if a PWD is needing help, hindi kaya mag-isa, so pwede nyo yung i-open. But you can ask help from your FA na lang since hindi rin siya automatically na-open. So, medyo may push-push pang nangyari. Pag nilock daw to, mag-on yung lights. Ooh! So, meron ka na dyang mirror. Pwede ka magpaganda kasi may lights. Ooh, haggard. Guys, pwedeng tumakbo. Dito sa likod, tig-dalawa na lang dito sa gilid. And I think I like that better kaysa dun sa tatluhan. So, ito yung usual area na pinagpe-prepare nila ng meals and yung mga kailangan ng mga passengers. Nandito ang mga FAs. You don't usually see this and you can usually go here. But since we're on a tour, exclusive tour, kaya natin pumunta. Yan, nakuhaan ng hot water nyo, coffee nyo, for your noodles, basurahan. Ayan guys, hahawakan ko na yung turbo engine dahil on a normal day, pag may flight, hindi natin to nahahawakan. Ang sarap niya hawakan kasi bagong-bago talaga siya. Nakaka-fangirl as a traveler. Wala pala siyang ganon. Wala pala siyang manibela. Meron silang joystick here and meron din doon. So, dito po yung main pilot, tama ho ba? And dito yung first officer. And then, ito daw is brother and brake. Ito po, patungan lang siya ng paa. Okay. It's so amazing.
I'd like to share more, but ang haba-haba na nito. Let me know your experience about A330neo. And of course,
let's fly everyone!